Gusto na naman.
At ibigay number 4 plus 2. Number 3, number 22. 14-second shot clock. Number 13. Ibinigay sa mga tax sa number 8, long to no good. Same ball. At balabaran tayo ng Cortada Boys. At tatawagan ng traveling violation. At talagang bola para sa Youth United. At number 4, Mondesa, pass to number 3. Number 3, pass to number 4, Golden shoot, David Bowie. David, at number 20. At ibigay Mondesa, pass to number 3, to shoot, David Bowie. Number 22, Hunter, ibigay number 10. At ibigay number 27, Andy Paul, ibigay number 6. Number 6, first personal foul.
Score natin 12-21.
Seconds. 5 seconds.
Nakakapagod. Basketball. Tira, susundan kita. Susundan kita. Naka-video.
Ano? Running trip. Gusto mo ano? All time.
Number 28, David Ray, no good. Number 24, Tapi Gun. Number 6, Pastor.
Point guard.
Number 5, Venetian Allen.
Kailangan talaga sa gitna talaga bola. Hirap pag dito. Tira mo!
Number 6. Number 5.
Nice hit!
Number 8. That's number 2. Same ball. Second shot got taken free. Okay, that Anderson Labayo, no good banana. Nakakuha na number 6. Number 3. Number 6.
Sila pa oh.
For free to shoot. Number 20.
Kagulo sila.
Second shot got taken free. Okay. Number 22. Africa is more lucky. Foul number 20. Number 20, first personal foul, first team foul.
Aray, nakangawit na ako. Wala sa condition na.
Number 24, David.
Stop. Natin.
17 second shot clock. Number 25, David Ray, no good. Babalik ang bola para sa Youth United. Number 7, pass to number 28. De Ocampo, bounce pass to De Ocampo din. Sablay, at balik ang bola para sa Youth United. Naistilan, block by number 6. At bola tayo ng Youth United.
Pidex, tira.
Number 28, that's number 25, 14 to shoot. Pass to number 28. Number 28 binigay sa gilid. Pass to number 28 again. Another layup, no good. At balik ang bola para sa Youth United. Ang number 20. At nakawala yung pesa. Pass to number 28. At ibigay kay number 5, number 5,
Grabe naman yung kalabaw ng dalawa.
Kalabaw ng City Land.
at ibigay ni number 7. That's number 28 to number 2. Out by the Samovan foul, who's ball up. Foul
O sige,
number
Pogi.
Number 5, personal foul.
Mr. Cutie
Bonus throw sa Blayan. At babalik ang bola para sa Youth United. Taas ng Bunga. Bunga mababa para sa number 5. Moving out. At babalik ang bola para sa Bata Boys. At number 28 sa ating player. Take it away. 3 points. Number 28, pass to number 24. Sabrata. Timeout, Youth United.
Wala rin na steal, gano'n, pwede mo. Report to by number 10. Niluwa at nakuha ni number 8. Wala pa rin. Good pursuit pa ni number 10. Nice volley. Pass to number 10. 14 to shoot. Last 24 seconds. Colorado, 10-second shot left. Last 18 seconds.
Last shot.
Last 10 seconds. Last number 9. Last 5 seconds. Passing the line.
Vlog ka pre. Wala pa naman. Zoom pa yun. Pre, dito ka tumira. Saan? Dito. Saka? Ang kita. Di ba? Diretso susundog yung video kapag matang mo. Si Hunter pa. Si Hunter.
Number 22. And leading the year, number 25. Good for Subari, number 25. And that one is number 4. Number 4. At the foul na pushing foul. This small rep. Foul number 22.
Napuli ka to.
Refocus.
Naman tayo mamaya. Kaya hindi batok ko yan. May tatauhin lang. Background ko.
Pass to number 4. Number 4, Montesa. At ibinigay na ako ni number 5. Pass to number 9. Pass to number 4. Good for Subari, number 99. Pass to Salgado. Ibinigay ni number 25, taken 3.
Gago pre, ba may ano siguro.
At nakuha ni number 27, Gumasig. To number 25, put back.
Paano mamana?
Good for Subari, number 7. At number 9, good for Subari. At ibinigay ni Hunter, nolok pass. Good for Subari, number 25. Foul number 1. Number 1, second personal foul.
Hindi ka na.
Ano ba siya? Answer na mo doon. Ano na?
Tanggalin lang natin.
Yung mo ito?
Si 6. Ang 9. Di pa 2. Dahil pa yung 30k. Yung pato. Hindi sa ano.
Number 9, pass to number 1.
Hindi friend. Si Kuya Berrel.
Take it 3, no good. At that one is number 25. Pass to number 24, pass to number 7.
Kapayo.
No
Tira.
good.
No good. Montes ah. Pwede pala ako pre-vlogger. Montes ah. Dinerecho.
Number 4, pass to Oracion.
Orasyon. Orasyon.
At ibinigay mo sa pass to Bunda, 14 to shoot.
Pag. Offensive. Bun.
Offensive foul galing kay number 0.
Offensive si Bun. Grabe.
Number 0, first personal foul.
Bola po ulit ng Corbada. Papasok po si kay Anton. Anton. So, pinasa po yung Hunter. Pinasa po.
At
Nice
ako
one.
ni
Kalaban.
number 99. Up by the Salabang foul. Who's for the foul number 22. Number 22. Third personal foul.
Pwede ba ako po dito? Yun! Vlogger! Nagabito lang. Transition.
Montage mo nga ako, Tol.
Sige, wait lang. Shoutout kay Idol.
Bonus throw. No good. Nakuha ni number 27. Pass to number 25. At nakuha ni number turnover para sa Hurtado Boys. Babalik ang bola para sa Youth United. Number 4, pass to number 20. At ibinigay kay number 99. Pass to Bunda. At na-steal ni Gumasing. Gumasing number 27. Pass to number 7, Labayo. Ibinigay kay Gumasing. Good for 2. Number 99, 3 points.
Tanggal ang yabe.
At number 28. Foul number 0. Sabrep. Number 0.
PRR daw, babasok
Second
na.
personal foul.
Man to man.
Score natin 32-40 in favor of Youth United. At number 4, Montesa, pass to number 1. No good. At napikan, nakuha ni number 28. Number 28, dire-diretso. Layup, no good. At nakuha ni number. Offensive foul ang tinawag. Number 6. Number 6, second personal foul.
Warning number 1, set to a goal.
Number 1, warning for technical for resetment of a call. Pass to number 27. At naisila ni number 1, pass to Montesa, layup. Niluwa nga lang. At nakuha ni number 10, Labayo. Pass to number 30, good for 2. At number 4, Montesa, pass to number 99, Policarpio, taken 3. No good. At nakuha ni number 27.
Yun.
Pass to number 27, binigay kay De Ocampo, fake, taken 3, short. At nakuha ni number 10, wala pa rin. At na-rebound ni number 30, wala pa rin. At balik ang bola para sa Youth United. Number 4, Montesa, dire-diretso, layup, good for 2.
Kaso, wala nang karibal mo. Kabandahin mo.
At ibinigay ang bola para kay Labayo. Pass to Teo Campo. Reverse. No, good for 2. At ibinigay sa gilid. Has taken 3 points. At number 27, pass to number 27. At ibinigay kay De Ocampo, fake. 10-second shot clock. Traveling violation. Sabrep. Good for 2 para kay number 6. At ibinigay sa gilid, 14 to shoot. Number 10, No good. 10-second shot clock. 8 to shoot. At now is still number 20. Number 20, dire-diretso. Pinalek. Good for two, Barry. Number 20. Number 27, naistilan ni number 26. That's number 20 to number 26. At nakuha pa rin ni number 26. At bola tayo ng Corbada Boys. Sub-rep. Last 26 seconds. Last 20 seconds. Last to number 13, no good. Nakuha ni Zapata. 14 seconds. Number 26, good for 3. Last 8 seconds. 5 seconds. Passer na lang. Foul number 6. Number 6, third personal foul, third team foul. Bola tayo ng Youth United. Last and final quarter. Fourth quarter.
Not counted.
Foul number 30. Number 30, first personal foul, first team foul. To shoot. Pass to number 3. Zapata pull up, no good. Good for 2 by number. Pass to number 3.
And 1.
And that one is number 5. Good for 2. Number 24, pass to number 10. Bounce pass, nice Dylan. Number 3, pass to number 6. Good for 2. Timeout, Corbada Boys.
Munti ka na mapanis ha. Munti ka na mapanis.
Back to the ball game. Corbada Boys, isa na lang po ang timeout. Good for 2. Foul number 24. Number 24, first personal foul. And nice Dylan. Nakuha na yung number 24. Pass to number 27. Good for 2. To shoot. Good for 2 by number 25.
And
14-second shot clock. Traveling violation. Basket timeout para sa Youth United. Del Campo sa gilid. At tatapik, nakuha ni number 26. Is the layup, good for 2. At number 8. Traveling violation. Sabrep. Number 3. Pass to number 20. At may foul galing kay number 22. Number 22. Warning for foul out number 22. Pass to number 26. 10-second shot clock. Offensive foul galing kay number 26. Number 26, second personal foul. At nakuha ni Hunter. Pass to number 27, good for 2. Sabrep.
Ano?
Oras na lang yun.
Hindi. Nag-abos sila ng score eh.
Take it 3. At wala pa rin ang tira ni Hunter. Binigay yung orasyon. Number 9, no good.
Ryan, matibay ang boss.
Foul number 8.
Bakal ka pa yun.
Sabrep. Number 8, first personal foul. Pass to number 0, Bunda. Ibinigay sa gilid. Pass to orasyon. Taken 3. 3 points.
Nagigit na naman si ano.
Tinata eh. Tanong.
Pass number 22. Number 24, no good. At nakuha ni Soboy.
Ikaw, basket timeout.
Sabrep.
Basket timeout na kailangan.
Good for 2 by number 24.
Nasama eh, no?
Traveling violation.
Ayun na, pre.
Hunter, dire-diretso. Gumawa na ng puntos. Good for 2. Time out. Youth United.
Kaya mo ba yun, pre? Goma-goma. Goma-goma freestyle. Lamig pre. Lamig na ako.
May dapat sa kamisan.
Nakakampi na. Nakakampi na.
Back to the ball game.
Kilala ko yan pre.
Ayos nila ni De Ocampo. De Ocampo, pass to Salgado. Hunter to De Ocampo, layup. Good for two. At number 99. At nakakuha na ni number 27. Pass to Hunter. Sobrang pasa. Nakakuha ni Montesa. Pass to Bunda. Huli na doon. Pass break kay number 25, Pink. Good for two.
10 na lang.
Ilan ba kailangan lamang?
At nakakuha ni number 4, Montesa. Pass sa gitna. Natapikan. At nakakuha ni Orasyon. 14 to shoot. Pass to Bunda. No good pa rin. At nakakuha ni Orasyon. Taken 3. No good at nakakuha ni number 10. Pass break kay number 25 at di na sa break.
15 ba kailangan pre?
20.
20?
20 na ba yan kanina?
Hindi, 15. Sabi ko nga, oras na lang yun pre. Lima lang naman kailangan yun, di ba? Kung 15. Lima na lang habulin yun eh.
Wala na, last game na namin to. Out, out.
Number 10 holding foul. Number 10 personal foul. 13 foul. 14 to shoot. 10-second shot clock. Orasyon. At makakakuha ng foul galing kay number 10. Number 10, second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Ganda ng katawan ko.
Kaya mo yun?
First throw. Pasok yan.
Walo na lang, walo.
Sa break.
Di ba number 1 ngayon sa inyo? Okay pa rin.
Number 4. At nakuha ni Bunda, 14 to shoot. Orasyon. Good for 3. At bola tayo ng Corbata Boys. 1 minute and 51 seconds. Hinagas. Same ball. Take a 3. No good. Taktigan. Nakakuha ni number 8. No good. At nakakuha ni number 9. Pass to number 1. At number 1 to Montesa. At ibigay sa gilid. 14-second shot clock. Alley-oop play. Good for 2. At number 27. At nakuha ni number 9. At may foul galing kay number 10. Foul number 10. And technical foul para kay number 9 for second motion. Substitute mo muna ng isa si number 25. Penalty tayo, penalty. Henry Tucson. Good for two by number 4. Last 50 seconds. Same ball. Taken 3. Oh good, last 44 seconds. Pass to number 0. Last 30 seconds, 10 to shoot. And nice steal. Number 27, no good. Tapigan. Good for two by number 27. Last 14 seconds. Passer na lang. Good for two by